My story, huh? Take a ride.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. We just did a 34-hour reset, and we were here. Okay, I'm gonna say this. All right, so the truck radio, right? I don't know why, but iPhones, like, at some time in the night, they'll like turn back on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I think it's something in my settings, but anyways, last night I had an alarm set for 7 a.m. so I could get up, and I was supposed to be there at 8 a.m. but there was no way that was gonna happen, just because like I'm 5 hours out and all that. But I kept looking at this place's website, and it said they weren't open on Saturday or Sunday, Monday through Friday. And so anyways, I didn't even hear my alarm because it connected to the truck GPS, and I have the volume all the way down, or not the GPS, the radio. So I didn't even hear it. So I ended up waking up at like 11, and then I called GP and I was like, hey, like, do we know for sure that this place is open? And they're like, honestly, we're not too sure. And I'm like, oh. He's like, just try to go make the delivery, and if they don't, deliver it tomorrow morning. I was like, okay. So I'm gonna head over there. I got 5 hours. The place does have overnight parking according to the reviews, but I saw somebody say he arrived on Sunday and they didn't unload him till Monday morning. So we're just gonna probably park there overnight. I was gonna try the new Arby's burger, which, I mean, it's not new because they've had it before. They just brought it back recently, but I was like, well, if I'm sleeping in overnight parking at not a truck stop, I better eat something that I know is gonna agree with my stomach. And so I didn't try it today. I got a chicken sandwich, what I always get. So that's the way the cookie crumbles. Also, there's some weird drivers at GP, bro. They have like this GP Transco Facebook group. Oh gosh. Anyways, so there's like 2 other GP Transco drivers parked here, right? And I got on Facebook on Saturday, and one of them took a picture of like the other truck and my truck and was like, I'm at the Loves in Madison, Ohio, and there's 2 GP trucks here. And they like took a picture of my truck and the other person's truck, and I'm like, bro, that's freaking weird. Like, why do you guys think this is cool? Like, nobody cares. Like, it's weird, you know? Like, obviously, like, I didn't like say anything to him, but like they always like put, like, some of the guys always post at the end of the day like, oh, this is where I'm stopping at for the night. And I'm like, bro, like, we all do the same job. We all stop at different places every night. Like, I don't think really anybody cares. I mean, maybe somebody does, but I just think it's weird. So I don't know. I tried saying like, dude, can this trend die? And I mean, a bunch of them are like older, so they didn't even understand what I was talking about. And then like some younger guy replied to my comment. He was like, yeah, it's so annoying. So, but anyways, we're trucking on here. We got 5 hours to drive today, and then tomorrow we have a pickup in Rochester, New York, and it's going to Georgia. So that's Monday. So I was gonna upload videos at that Loves, but I had no phone service, dude. It was the worst Loves to take a 34 at. Like, I could barely load anything. So, and my T-Mobile home internet did not work, so I had no internet for my computer. So we stopped at this Loves, went ahead and topped off our fuel. We really didn't need to, but I know, like, I guess I'm backtracking through this area tomorrow, so I probably would have been fine. But we're overnight parking at the receiver, so we gotta wait for this hot shot guy to back in. All right, so we're just down the road from our delivery. It's some back road here in New York. We're gonna try to find, what is that thing? Oh, it's like the railroad little box thing. I was like, what is that in the trees? I was confused. But I know, like, because I'm hauling paper rolls right now, I know some of these paper rolls will unload like 24 hours a day, but we'll see. Even if they don't, it's whatever. I'll just get it done in the morning, because my next load that's going to Georgia picks up between, I don't even remember, like, there's so many hours, like 7 to 4 in the afternoon or whatever is the time I can get it. So we'll see if we can get unloaded back here or not. I don't know what this thing is back here. What is this? Is this the overnight parking that everyone was saying that they had here? It might be. There's a lot of trucks if they're all trying to get paper rolls on. Oh, this is McLean. Okay. I was gonna say, dang, dude. Let's see. This guy's here before me, so we'll see. Maybe they are 24 hours. Paperworks. Let's see what this sign says here before I roll. Receiving, shipping, and receiving. I do have paper rolls, so I guess we'll go straight here. Find out if we can get unloaded or not. I mean, looks like there's people working, so maybe we'll get unloaded today. I'm not sure. We'll see. So I guess we're good. He's like, I was like, am I late? Like, you guys closed? And he's like, no, paper rolls are 24 hours. And I was like, all right, cool. So he's like, back into door X for me. So that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna try to get kind of turned around. See what we can do here. We're way off. I'm gonna slide my tandems back for this guy too, because he's super cool. Bit off here, I think. That's okay. So we need to pull up left like this and then straight. We need to give it just a little bit left here, try to slide him over. I think we can just do it on the line. We cannot go on the line, that's okay. We're a little bit bowed, but we're pretty straight with that door, so I think we're good. Yeah, he turned it red. So we're just gonna chill out here, probably do a 30-minute break, and then we're headed back over to the way we just came from, and there's a Petro with a whole bunch of parking there. So I'll probably just end up stopping there for the night. All right, so we got unloaded in like 20 minutes, I wanna say. And we got our next delivery pickup sent to us. It's a 1,000-mile load to start this week off. Should be there Wednesday morning. Well, no, Tuesday morning. Not like Tuesday sometime, but it's supposed to be a drop and hook. But anyways, while I was getting unloaded here, the trailers like, this is a brand new trailer, but I don't know, it just sounded like it was like squeaking and like making all this noise, bro. I kind of thought the forklift driver was gonna end up through the floor because it was just making so much noise. So I don't know if Hyundai started making the trailers cheaper or what, or if GP had like a cheaper type of wood put in the floors so the trailers would be cheaper, but it's making like a lot of wood creaking noise and stuff. But we got 42 miles left to go today. We're going back to the Loves we stopped at, but there's not going to be any parking at the Loves, so we're gonna have to go across the street to the Petro. But I don't know how many of you drivers have ever had your truck washed at Blue Beacon, but I mean, this is already like another 600-700 miles on this truck, but like After Blue Weekend washed my truck, dude, everything looked like it was brand new. I was honestly amazed. Like the stairs, they still look good, kind of. I mean, they're dirty now, but dude, I was really impressed with Blue Beacon. So definitely be going back to Blue Beacon for more truck washes, but we only get one a month here at GP, so yeah, that's that. So we're headed back over to the Petro, and we'll be getting our load in the morning. I think it's gonna be a fun place to go. So we're getting parked for the night, and there's nothing I can't stand less than somebody who just clock crawls all over the parking lot. Dude, that you're saving 5 minutes of your time. Like, I literally truly do not understand why people clock crawl. It is like, I understand like if you're on like a 30-minute break or whatever, but you should be in your parking spot before you take your 30. And see, he's already way off. Yep. Pull up to the left. Da 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 da. Anytime now.
Midget Porn Express.
Alright, I'm going around this guy. He's taking way too long. Crap's annoying, bro. We're just gonna park here. That's literally how you do it. Nice and easy. Alright, I don't know if the video is long enough, but if it is, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.